Saxon Phonics Lesson 32. What sound do you hear in the final position of these words? Repeat them after me. Song, clang, ring. What letter or letters is making that sound? The ng is the sound we hear in the final position of these words. Song, clang, sing. Ng is the digraph making that sound. Our new keyword for digraph, ng, ends in ng. See if you can guess it. This is something shaped like a circle. It can also be a circular band worn around a finger as jewelry. What do you think it is? Ring. When you see this card, say ring. G. The keyword ring helps us remember the ng sound because ring ends with ng. We underline the digraph. We always underline digraphs when coding. When you see ng in your worksheet, underline the ng at the end of words. Here are a new set of words. How are these words the same? Resting, standing, milking. How are they the same? Right, it's the ing at the end of each word. That makes the ing sound. Rest, ing. Stand, ing. Milk, ing. If I cover up the ing, I have the word rest. I have a root word. What's the root word for standing? Right, stand is the root word. What about for milking? Right, milk is the root word. What does that make the ing? If rest is the root word, that means that the ing is the suffix. The suffix goes at the end of the word. We have rest, root, ing, suffix. Resting. Now when we code this word, we're coding the suffix ing. We code it with a box around it, just like we do with our s, our suffix s that tells us more than one thing. Our suffix ing is also going to be boxed in. Ing will come at the end of words. Go ahead and get out your worksheet. Let's do 1 through 10. Number 1, th. 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 Number 2, eh. Eh. E with a breve because it's a short vowel. Number 3, m. 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 Number 4, k. 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 C. and CK. Number 5, A. A. A with a breve. Number 6, Z. Z. Z and S. Number 7, E. E. This is a long vowel because it says its name. Number 8, G. 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 Number 9, I. I. I with a breve. Number 10, B. 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 Let's do 11 through 16. 11, the word thick. Thick. Th. I. K. THICK. Thick. Number 12, desk. Desk. D. E. S. K. D-E-S-K. Desk. Number 13, the digraph ng. Ng. Right. N. G. Number 14, long. Long. L. A. Ng. Ng. L-O-N-G. Number 15, thing. Thing. T-H-I-N-G. Thing. Number 16, sang. Sang. S-A-N-G. S-A-N-G. Sang. Look at 17 through 21. We have the word sing and singing. This is our root word. They have our root word with an ing. What do we do to that ing? Right, we box it in. It can be confusing because this has ing, but it's not the end of our word. It's not an add-on to our root word. It's part of our root word, sing. We're not talking about singing, sang. We add a box around the ing on sang, ing, because we're adding a suffix. Go through and code all these words. Here's number 17 done for you. There's a breve on the I, s, e, inging, sing, ing. Go ahead and code 17 through 21. When you're finished, play the video. Now look at 22 through 26. Which word goes with the picture of the bill? B-ill. Right. 22 goes with the picture of the bill. Go ahead and code 22 through 26. When you're finished, play the video and turn it to the back. Number 1. Beth kept asking and Dad still said no. Who said no? Beth kept asking and Dad still said no. Who said no? Right, Dad. Number 3. Mom is misting the thick plant. The plant is. Mom is misting the thick plant. The plant is. Right, thick. Go down to 5 through 8. The first picture is of a plate. Plate. Splash. Splash. Straw. Straw. Truck. Truck. When you're finished, send a picture of the front and back of your paper to your teacher.